Hello and welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, hit subscribe and notification icon now to never miss out on our new videos. In the first 90 days, the book emphasizes on the importance of building a strong, supportive team by identifying key players and aligning them with your goals. This includes assessing the current team, identifying strengths and weaknesses, and making changes as needed to ensure that the team has the necessary skills and experience to achieve the goals. The book advises leaders to establish clear roles and responsibilities for team members, and to provide them with the resources and support they need to succeed. It also encourages leaders to develop open lines of communication and to foster a culture of collaboration and trust within the team. The book also suggests that leaders should take an active role in developing their team members, by providing them with opportunities for training, mentoring, and coaching. This helps the team members to develop the skills and knowledge they need to be successful and to grow in their roles. Furthermore, it advises leaders to involve the team members in the decision-making process and to listen to their feedback and ideas. This helps to increase the team members' buy-in and engagement with the goals and objectives, and it makes them feel more ownership of their work. Overall, building a strong, supportive team is a crucial aspect of leading effectively, and the first 90 days provides leaders with the strategies and advice they need to do it successfully. An example of building a strong, supportive team by identifying key players and aligning them with goals would be a new manager taking over a department at a company. First, the manager would assess the current team, identifying the key players and their strengths and weaknesses. Next, they would align team members with specific roles and responsibilities that match their skills and experience. The manager would also establish clear lines of communication and foster a culture of collaboration and trust among the team. To support the team, the manager would provide them with the necessary resources and tools they need to succeed in their roles. Furthermore, the manager would take an active role in developing the team by providing training and mentoring opportunities. Lastly, the manager would involve the team members in decision-making processes, and listen to their feedback and ideas. This helps to increase the team members' buy-in and engagement with the goals and objectives, and it makes them feel more ownership of their work. By doing this, the manager is creating a strong, supportive team that is aligned with the goals and objectives of the department and the company, and that is equipped with the skills and resources it needs to be successful. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe and click on the notification icon to never miss out on new videos. Follow me on Instagram. Link in the description. Thank you.